Morning. Here we've got a Mini. This is an R52 one, R50 and R53, pretty much the same. This is 1.6. Ladies had trouble with the heaters not blowing. So I'm just going to show you where the bleed screws are. There's 3 of them, which people think there's just normally 2. You've got this one here. We've got one down here. Let's put that there, point to it. Got one there, and the other one is on the actual matrix pipe. If you look down, I'll tell you what, I've got another engine. I'll show you on this other engine where it is. Let me just take you there. It'd be easier for me to show it to you. I've got this engine here. This pipe here, you come around here and look down there. I'll put an arrow on the screen so you can see it. And where is it? I've lost it myself. It is, hang on, if I can try and do this. It is that screw there. This one. It's this screw here, which is on this actual main water pipe. Yeah, you can see it better at this angle. It's the actual matrix pipe there. Get the camera in there. It's there. So that's the bleed one for the matrix. Which, yes, it's hidden. You wouldn't know it's there. So I'm just going to bleed this one, and hopefully the heaters are going to work lovely. Right, so to get to the 3rd bleed valve, you need to remove this. So what we need to do is just pull these little tabs back like this and pull it up, which I'm going to do now. Right, if you pull the dipstick out of the way after you've undone these, and it connects around here, which you just have to pull off. So those bits are there. Clip over that. Then if we look down there from here, there, you can see it. So I'm just going to loosen that off, and hopefully some air is going to come out. Right, I hope this video has helped some of you out with the 3rd bleed screw, as it is in a very unusual place that you wouldn't really know it was there. Okay, thanks for watching.